Hi friends, in this video I will be showing two methods. Method 1. First make sure that both TV and mobile phone both are connected to same Wi-Fi network. So here I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named BSNL 1. In the left side you can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network BSNL 1. After that, in TV, go to settings, then select device preferences, then go down, select Chromecast built-in, then select let others control your cast media. Here we need to select always. Select always here. Then in mobile phone open Google Play Store, then install Google Home app. I already installed Google Home app. Let me open it. Then we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect nearby casting devices in the same Wi-Fi network. You can see it has detected my TV. Here you can see the name of the TV. Tap on that. Then tap on cast my screen here. Then tap on cast screen. Then tap on start now. See, it's working. So if you want to watch video in full screen, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone, so that way we can switch display to full screen in TV. So if you want to disconnect, again go to Google Home app, then tap on stop mirroring. So this is the method 1. So let me go to method 2. Open settings, tap on the settings up icon, then tap on connection and sharing, then tap on wireless display. Tap here. You can see it showing TV name here. It has detected casting device in the same Wi-Fi network. Tap on this TV name, then tap on start now. See, it's working. So this is the method 2. So in this method I am not using Google Home app. So these are the two methods. So if you want to stop, again go to settings, then wireless display, then tap on TV name, then tap on disconnect. Okay, done. So please try it.